And so today I will be driving from the popular Isimi, Lagos, which is the Nigeria's number one wellness and polo city, to one of our lovely estates called Lotus Estate in the beautiful city of Epe. This estate is about 2 minutes drive from the Isimi, Lagos, where I started this video from, and the land is completely dry land. Two batches of allocation has recently been done in this estate. It shares boundary with the Dukia Africa in Shala community here in Ekpe. The price of this estate will be increasing from 3.5 million naira to 6 million naira on the 21st of December 2022, which is about 4 days time, and that's a huge returns on your investment. This estate started selling at 1.2 per plot some few months ago, and now it sells for 3.5 for full plot and 1.9 for half plot, but the price will be changing soon. The status of this land is freehold. It has a deed of assignment and survey. It is directly facing the expressway in Shala community, Epe-Ikorodu Expressway. I will be showing you a detailed developmental update at Lotus Estate, so please tag along and watch this video to the end so that you don't miss every part of the developmental process at Lotus Estate in Ekpe. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, where I bring you information on everything real estate and also show you profitable real estate investment that are safe and secured, that is capable of yielding over 500 to 600% returns on investment in 1 year. So follow me, let's do this together. Well done.
Now they will block when they are outside. I don't carry inside. No.
Lotus Estate, located here in Shala community in the beautiful city of Ekwe. On the 21st of this month, the price will change. Currently selling for 3.5 million naira for a 600 square meter plot. But on the 21st of this month, the price will be going to 6 million naira per plot. That's a huge return on investment. This is the best time to invest. We've done the first batch of allocation, second batch of allocation, and as you can see, the work is ongoing. We are working assiduously hard to deliver on our promises. The land is completely dry. Like I said, on the 21st of this month, it will be selling for 6 million naira per plot. I've done several videos on Lotus Estate. I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video on Lotus Estate. This estate is just less than 2 minutes drive to the popular isimi, Lagos, and it is less than 6 minutes drive to the Epe Junction, and less than 8 minutes drive to the proposed Lekki International Airport and the Alaro City. This is the best investment deal in the heart of Ekpe right now. A 600 square meter sells for 3.5 million naira, and a 300 square meter sells for 1.9. So we have different square meters. So if you can afford the 300 square meter, you go for 300 square meter. If you can afford 600 square meter, you go for 600 square meter. This is the best investment deal in the heart of Ekpe, located here in Shala community. This is the best investment deal. When you buy this plot, you get your deed of assignment, you get your contract of sale with indemnity clause, you get your survey document, and you get your letter of allocation. Work is ongoing. People are subscribing to this estate. Just this year alone, this estate, we have the returns on investment on this estate is over 600% returns on investment. This is the best real estate investment in the heart of Ekpe right now, directly facing the express. Directly facing the express. Directly facing the express. The work is ongoing. The work is ongoing. The land is completely dry. The land is completely dry. And stopping on development. Just at the back of this estate, it shares boundary with the popular Dukia Africa. The price will be changing from 3.5 for a 600 square meter plot to 6 million naira per plot. Amazing. 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 Work is ongoing. So I'm here to show you developmental updates. Gatehouse almost completed. Our workers are working assiduously hard to make sure that we deliver on our promises. As you can see, directly facing the express. Less than 2 minutes drive to the popular isimi, Lagos, and less than 6 minutes drive to the Epe Junction, and less than 8 minutes drive to the proposed Lekki International Airport. This estate is strategically located. Strategically located. About 20 acres of land here in the beautiful city of Ekpe. Here in the beautiful city of Ekpe. This is the best time to subscribe. In a few days' time, the price is changing to 6 million naira from 3.5. Work is ongoing. Directly facing the express. You can see? Directly facing the express. You can see the estate. So that they can see the estate. So they can see the front view, the gatehouse. This is one of the best real estate investment deals in the heart of Ekpe right now. Located in the ever busy Epe-Ikorodu Road. Ever busy Epe-Ikorodu Road. Less than 2 minutes drive to the popular isimi, Lagos, 6 minutes drive to the Epe Junction, and less than 8 minutes drive to the proposed Lekki International Airport, directly facing the ever busy Epe-Ikorodu Road. Directly facing. The land is completely dry. When you key into this land, you get a deed of assignment, contract of sale, survey document, and you get your letter of allocation. What more can you ask for? What more can you ask for? This is the most affordable real estate deal in the beautiful city of Ekpe right now. Few days time, the price is changing. This is the best time. So I can help you secure this profitable real estate investments in the beautiful city of Ekpe called Lotus Estate here in Shala community. Shala community. You can see the road is busy where this land is located. I've done several videos on this estate. When the land was selling for 1.2, when it went to 2 million naira, and then to 3.5, and then in a few days time the price is changing to 6 million naira. On the 21st of this month, this is the best time to key into this property. This is the best time to subscribe. Directly facing the ever busy Epe-Ikorodu Road. This land is strategically located. Strategically located. Look at the estate. This is the major road. Strategically located. Strategically located. If you are looking for where to key your funds, this is the best place to put your funds right now. The last time selling on the 27th of January, and now in a few days time we're almost having over 600% returns on investment. Amazing. Amazing. Work is ongoing. Our workers are working seriously hard to deliver on these promises. This is the best real estate deal in the heart of Ekpe right now. So give me a call so I can help you get a plot of land or plots of land in this beautiful estate called Lotus Estate here in Shala community. You need to be part of this milestone. You need to be part of this milestone. This is a profitable real estate investment you need to subscribe to. Give me a call. Give me a call. And I'll be available to walk you through the process of being part of this beautiful estate. It's called Lotus Estate. Thank you.
Yes,